The ocean to me is just the full source of life. I mean, that's where everything happens, and it's where I feel at home. My favorite fish to target's all of them, man. I love catching all of them. I just want to come in with a box full of fish and be able to share them with all my friends. Every day, weather's changing, the streams changing, currents are changing. I really enjoy the challenges of being out there and adapting to conditions, but nothing feels better than be able to share that experience with your family.
SeaDek was founded by a group of individuals who share a love of life on the water. 13 years later, and more than 130 employees strong, our passion has grown stronger than ever before. We are fishermen.
We are paddleboarders.
We are surfers.
We are parents.
We are Captains for Clean Water.
For more than a decade, SeaDek has led the marine industry with innovative alternatives to carpet and traditional molded-in non-skid. After introducing cutting-edge products such as multicolor laminations, new texture options, and the iconic Photique, SeaDek is proud to roll out yet another industry first, designer laser patterning. Laser patterning allows for nearly infinite detail and produces a subtle yet distinctive appearance that lends itself to the sophisticated boats that define today's market. Thanks to extensive research and design, and by harnessing new methods for applying advanced laser technology, SeaDek has once again redefined the way people connect with their boats.